Hello everyone, welcome back to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. A real quick recipe I have for you to boost your immune system. Now, this normally you would add ginger, but I don't have ginger. Ginger is too strong for me and I end up having heartburn. So this is turmeric that has been rinsed and washed. I had a whole lot of it, so I had some frozen, put it in here. I have 5 oranges, 2 lemons, some black pepper. I'm gonna be adding some dandelion root and some milk thistle, a bit of Celtic salt, and some water. And that is all that I'm adding to mine. You can certainly add more things to it. It's up to you. So I am adding my water. Just say I don't add a lot of this. I only add a scoop of each of this. I guess this would be like a teaspoon. And then I add just a little bit of Celtic salt, not a lot. I don't want it salted. I just want to give it that little extra boost. And now I'm gonna blend it. Okay, so now it's ready to strain, which I'm doing here. But you see how it is. I mean, if you can stand it like that, by all means. I just don't like it with it. So I kind of strain it. I might just strain it once. All right, guys, so here we are. This yield me almost 7 cups. I'm going to add a little bit of water and make it 8 because it's so added some water, and as you can see, it's not as thick, which I really like the consistency here. It makes it a lot easier to drink. And I went ahead and put this chopping board on here since I'm going to be pouring and I don't want anything to get on my countertop. So let's get to pouring. One more little tip I wanted to mention. The closer you get it to the very top, the less oxidation it will have because you have less air in your jars. So I like to pour it almost to the rim, almost. Not quite, but almost there. See? Like that. The less space that contains air in your jar, the better off you're going to be and the better your product is going to be. Guys, so here we have it. I have 15 jars. So if you can see, I had 8 cups after I added the water, the extra water. So 4 cups yield me 15 of these 2-ounce jars. Okay? In case you wanted to make it like that. What I am going to do, however, is I'm going to go ahead and freeze this so I'll have it for next time. This way I don't have to make another batch for a little bit. And this will last me about a week to 2 weeks. If you're going to do one a day, it'll last you 2 weeks. So there you have it, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. And by the way, you can make this your own. Adjust it however you need.